Hello everyone, my name is Catherine Belair, and today I want to show you how to start preparing potato seeds for planting them in the garden. I went to the store where they sell seeds, and I purchased potato seeds in a bag like this. You can go, if you buy them to the grocery store, go to an organic grocery store, because what you want to see buy is potatoes that has eye like this. This is what you want to see, because if you go to just a regular grocery store, those potatoes have been sprayed with chemicals and you won't see it. It will not grow. So you want to either buy potatoes at an organic store, grocery store, or gardening store where they sell seeds, all kinds of seeds, and then you can buy it by the bags like this. I purchased one bag of red potatoes, and I also purchased another bag for the white potatoes. Anyways, and potatoes, I want to show you, if you choose loosely, you want to buy potatoes that has the most eye on it, because each eye represent a plant. You'll be getting a plant. See, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 eye, and there's another one here, little small one. So I just want to show you. I like to cut them, my potatoes, for the seeds, so I can have more plant. So see how I have seeds. I like to cut them in half like this. See how one seed on this one, and here there's another one here. I can actually, be careful, cut right in the middle. I'm going to show you. See how there's 2 seeds? Boom. Okay. So out of this small little potato, I've got actually I will have 3 plants. 1 plant here. I could have 4. There's another one planting here, but I'll have 1, and this, and 3. So when you plant them in a garden, you want to make sure this is facing up, because this will be like the stem going up, and it will grow leaves as well. So what I like to do, I put this in a container and let it dry for 2-3 days to just prevent rotting when I plant it, when after cutting. So this is another big potato. I just want to show you the cutting. There's lots of eye on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I can have lots of pieces here, up to 10 pieces. So I'm just going to show you. It's very easy. Like, here's 1 piece, and when you plant it like this. And there's another one here, little eye. See, this is what it looks like. And there's some more pieces here. So what I do, I will just there's many eyes, so I'll cut one just in half. So this will be 1 plant, and this this will be another plant. Sorry. Okay, and this will be another plant, and here there's lots of plant. There's little bugs here, a little eye here. So I'll just cut these one out. And there's 2 eyes, so I'll cut the potatoes again. So this will grow into little eyes. So, and what I do, I'll show you how I place my potatoes in a pan. I put it in a pan like this, with the the raw side, so it can dry easier. I'll let it dry for about 2-3 days, and then I will plant it into the garden. I draw a little picture just to explain to you how potatoes grow. They don't grow like other vegetable. If you plant the seed, the vegetable will grow down. The potatoes, when you plant it, it will the yellow one represent the roots here. You see the roots. This will be going like this. see the roots. So you cover it of soil, and what it does, the stem grows. I don't know if you can grow. So the stem will grow, and then as you can see, the little there'll be leaves. And then you cover the soil above the leaves until you don't see the leaves, about an inch to 2-3 inch of soil. Then as the plant grows some more, you can see I put some lines here to show you the soil. Cover the soil, cover the plant as it grows. Cover about 2-3 inch above the stem and the leaves when you see the stem. And then you see the potatoes grow upward. There'll be potatoes and potatoes along the way. It grows up. So anyways, I just want to show you that, and I'll be back in about a few days, and I'll be planting those potatoes in the garden just to show you how to plant it. You can also plant them in garbage bags and grocery bags and garbage cans as well. If you decide to grow them in bags or garbage cans, make sure there's holes at the bottom, and then put about 5 inch of soil at the bottom of the pot, and then put your potato with these the germination facing up, because it will be growing up. Then cover it about 2-3 inch above of it, and as you will see, it will grow. You'll see little green leaves. Cover it up again when it grows, and so like that you'll have more potatoes. And that was the purpose. That's why I cut my potatoes in many pieces, because the more pieces you get, that means there's more plants you get. You get 10 eye, you can get up to 10 plants. You get 5 eye, you get 5 plants. Anyways, and there's also, you might want to grow onions with potatoes, and also marigolds with potatoes, because potatoes will attract those little beetles to it, and it eats all the leaves, and then if they eat all the leaves, then the potatoes won't grow. So you might want to plant marigolds with your potatoes, because especially French marigolds, because they repel those beetles away from your potatoes. And you also might want to grow some onions with your potatoes to keep your potato plants healthy, and it also push away the nasty bugs, the bugs that eat your potato plants. Anyways, thank you very much for listening. If you have any questions, please message me. I'll be happy to answer your question, or try to answer your question, or make a video about it. And you can read the description below. I'll have some information there about the gardening tips. Anyways, thank you for watching, and wishing everyone bright blessings.